Hey curlies and curly supporters, I'm Heather Love and this is That Curly Life. I'm here with a review! Today I'm reviewing the DevaDryer and the Claw, or as they name it, DevaFuser. You guys know that I am a big DevaCurl fan. Like, everything I put in my hair is DevaCurl, unless I'm running low and I'm in a pinch. But DevaCurl everything. So I use the DevaCurl No Poo, the One Conditioner, the Bee Leave-In, Hair Leave-In Moisturizer Volume stuff, and the Ultra Defining Gel. So for the longest time, I was just doing those products and air drying, which there's nothing wrong with air drying. That's completely fine. But I've been seeing everyone with these ringlets and this kind of definition that I'm like, hey, I don't have that kind of, how do you do that? And there's people using diffusers. Yeah, I did not diffuse. Sometimes I would take a blow dryer and just go like this with my hand and hold it. And I'm like, that's diffusing, right? No. Some people have these things that are round with prongs that like hold this and they go like that. And some people have this guy. I drank the Kool-Aid. I bought the hairdryer. First things first, guys. It's not cheap. I said, if I'm doing this curly thing, I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna get a diffuser and I need a new blow dryer. So I was like, why not get them together? So we did. I bought it at Ulta. They have great deals sometimes. And I think I got like a percentage off. And if you buy enough, you get like little gift packets of little goodies and treats and extras. They're really fun that way. And then you earn points, which actually turn into money. I already have like $20 worth of points that I could buy something else with at Ulta and not necessarily just Deva stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. So what's different about the DevaCurl diffuser is that there's holes on every side. And you might have noticed, it looks like a hand. It's so cool because it has holes everywhere where air can come out, all through here, and there's a ceramic plate on the inside. So the idea is that you can really get in there. Look at that. It's in my hair. Get in the roots, right? And then it can also cup your hair and get all around. And so it's blow drying here and there, but when it's like this, that's when you're getting all of that in there. There's multiple settings on this bad boy. There's an air heat setting. So there's cold, there's warm, and then there's hot. And then there's also that shot of cold air button that most air dryers have. And then there's a power button. So you can turn it on to low airflow and then a lot of airflow. And this is what my hairdresser told me. If I want to still be able to blow my hair straight, like do a blowout, it's not strong enough. And I believe that is absolutely true. It is not as powerful. So if you want your Deva dryer to be versatile in how you do your hair, not just for curls, I would not get a Deva dryer. I would get a different dryer and get the claw attachment because it is not very strong, which is fine for curls because you don't want a lot of power all at once because like I said, frizz. I will say this, I've only had my diffuser for 3 months and the buttons, little insignias, the things that tell you what everything is, have rubbed off. That's lame. I know it's just because it's just kind of painted on there or like a sticker press pull off, whatever. So they have rubbed off already. I know what the controls are, so it's not that big of a deal, but it's expensive. And the fact that it rubbed off in 3 months is kind of lame. It's not that heavy, it's pretty light. And then look at this, it comes with a Velcro strap to wrap up your cord, which I thought was really great. I really, really love that about it. And maybe all hair dryers have that now since I haven't bought one since middle school, high school, or whatever. And I think it does a great job. I think having it shaped like a hand and going like this in your hair and getting like in your roots, I think the fact that it can get in your roots is like big. And it helps like get volume under here, especially for people with hair like mine. Especially when you have long hair and it like weighs your hair down. Being able to get under it and like really dry your roots. And I think that's why the claw hand is so popular. Could you get a regular hair dryer and the ones that come with diffusers on them? Totally. And could they work for you? Totally. They totally could. but I love DevaCurl, and I know this is gonna last me a long time. It feels really good. It holds really nice. It's made for a hand, and it is easy to click and maneuver and push. I think it's worth the hype. If you're in the market for it and it's in your budget range, then go for it. I think it is definitely worth it, and I really like it. It's pretty awesome. I hope you enjoyed my review on the DevaDryer and Devafuser, and I'd love to know what you use when you diffuse your hair and what methods work best for your curly hair. Let me know. Comment below or reach me on Instagram at heatherallisonlove, or you can contact me through my website, heatherallisonlove.com. If you want to hear about more tips and tricks and see more interviews that I do with the lovely curlies of Chicago, you can subscribe. When you subscribe, you'll always know when I have a new video out, and you won't miss a curly ever. That'd be perfect, right? Thanks for hanging in there with me and my sweaty self. I'll see you guys next time.